See, in this question they have given us the inverting amplifier, okay, and the positive one is grounded. They don't give the output voltage and they don't give the input voltage, but they gave the plus VCC and minus VE supply, right? Minus VCC supply. So as you know, the output voltage would be in the range of plus VCC and minus VCC. So can we say that output voltage is in the range of plus 12 volt and the minus 12 volt, right? So for that we can use, and as you know, this is the inverting amplifier. So the output voltage formula for the inverting amplifier is minus RF by R1 into Vs. So we know V naught is, like, suppose that is plus 12 volt, minus RF is how much, 50, divided by R1 is how much, 5. Both are kilo ohm, so that would be cancelled out. So that would be value of Vs. Similarly, we can take the another range of voltage, that would be minus 12 volt, that is minus 50 divided by 5 into Vs. If I'll solve it, then that would be equal to Vs value will get it, that would be in the range of minus 1.2 volt to 1.2 volt. Okay, so this is your final answer.